the task force. Now, what is the purpose of that particular?
So would they form a committee with the TSC to harmonize this? Deployment, transfer, promotion.
The recommendation of the Presidential Working Party is that we would want to separate placement and testing to appreciate what our children have learned, trying to look at their competencies, at their skills and knowledge, and translating that into certification. And then using that now separately to place them. Because what we've been doing for a long time is that we were mixing the two. That's why we were having cluster subjects. And we used to say you must be credit on mathematics, Kiswahili, English, biology sometimes, chemistry. So you find this kid is credit on so many learning areas which are aligned to placement. But we want to say separate placement from grading so that across the world you test a kid on two critical areas, on numeracy and literacy. And that's why we are saying we are going to grade this kid on mathematics and a language as compulsory. And a language is either English or Kiswahili, not both.